So make sure that you are not one of them who are just making a mistakes while sharing his information in the form of ID, documents, or in the form of cards. There are a number of websites who are just giving you an option of PDF format only to upload. And if you're just scribbling your PDF document, your personal information, and just making a long rectangular boxes on your personal information on a PDF file and hiding your information and not destroying it, then it can be still visible. Let me show you through a sample document that what are the mistakes that you are making and how you can fix them. So here's a Word file, and for example, I just insert a rectangular box on that date in order to hide it. Okay, now I will just save it in a PDF format. And here you can see that it is open in a PDF editor, and I will just draw some scribbles on it. And by appearance, you can see that my information is hidden. It can't be seen, it can't be visible. But if I just save that document, and for example, I just open that document in Adobe Illustrator, and here you can see that there's no scribble on my channel name. Even that box is also in the form of layers, and I can remove those layers as well. And here you can see the date can be visible easily. So how the PDF file is working? PDF file is working in the form of layers. Once you scribble on PDF file or placing long rectangulars on your personal information or sensitive information, it is just making a layer of vector form. Okay, the vector layers can be grouped and ungrouped, but once vector layers are converted into the raster layer in the form of pixels, then a large or a set of pixels has to be destroyed. Then it can't be reverse engineered through AI powers or through the computation powers once a large set of pixels is destroyed. Okay, so here's the one thing is clear, that whenever you have to share your information, you have to convert your documents, your any file in the form of a raster layer, then convert it to the PDF form and share it. So there are some very feasible methods that you have to follow. For example, if you want to share your document, what you have to do is to tape all those sensitive information and take a picture of it and then convert it into the PDF format and send it to concerning person. The other method is you want to do on a software. What you have to do is to open a Photoshop, or you can use a Photopea online. After doing that, you will just open your desired document. For example, I just open that document, and you can see that scribbling and that box now on that page is in the form of a raster layer, not in the form of a vector form. Okay, now I just place that rectangular box on any element or a text in this document, for example like this, and here you can see a new layer that is formed is in the form of a vector. And whenever I open that document in Adobe Illustrator, that box can be moved, but other than that, part of my document cannot be removed or moved. Let me show you how. For example, if I save another PDF file and open that PDF file in Adobe Illustrator, now you can see that only box can be moved or removed because only box is in the vector form. Other than that, other elements of this document are already converted into the raster file or raster layer in the pixel format. So whenever you have to share your sensitive information, you have to convert all those elements, all those personal information in the raster form, in the pixels form, scribble that in the image or JPEG or PNG format, then convert it to the PDF format and send or forward to the concerning person. So also there are some other methods, not only to hide your information, but to destroy your information before sending or sharing with someone. For example, if I just select that vector layer and convert it to the rasterized layer, no, it can't be re-engineered or reversed. Similarly, if I just select any element of my document and convert or blur it, applying a filter on it, and it also cannot be re-engineered or reversed once it is converted to the PDF format or into the image format. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe this channel, and if you have any query or you want my services, then you can DM me or comment in this video. Till then, take care, goodbye.